we got a music platform where you can upload AI music, or you can upload your own music, and then you can charge a premium subscription for people to download each song or each track. But it's really straightforward. And it's just different people's music that you can buy them. This one is priced at $20. So if you like people's different music, then you can buy their whole album or their cover art, however you want to do this. And then they have FAQ question. You can become an artist as well too and upload your music. You need to create an account and contact the team. After your profile is verified and approved, you will be able to launch royalty share campaign. And basically what that is royalty share campaigns is that when you upload it, you're going to make a commission from whatever the actual site makes. So if they want to give you 20% of your shares or 75% of your shares, but I'm assuming that Demuzo is going to take at least a good 50% of the shares for their own profit, so they can continue to run this website, because these advertisers and these website owners have to make money off of the website, or they're not going to be profitable to continue to allow you to put your music up on the platform. So just know that you may get 50% of it, you may get 30% of it, they may get 70% of the profit. It just all depends on what it is. And read that. You have to read the descriptions and all that good stuff. I'm not going to go into all of that. But they have questions here, so be very aware of what you're signing up for and what's going on. And let's see. I think you can sign up with Google. It's going to walk you through that. You can sign up with Google, and it's going to walk you through all of the good stuff. But here, you can manage your subscriptions and stuff like that. My profile. So right now, you see it's a $0 balance because I haven't uploaded anything, or I haven't started putting anything. But you need to create your profile, upload a profile picture here. You're going to click on here. You need to upload an avatar if you want to go buy an AI influencer, or you want to go buy your real person. Usually, there's probably are real people here, but there might be some AI influencers that make music too. So it all depends on how you want to spin the narrative. And if you're a really good AI singer, there's a lot of good websites that emulate your own voice into an AI voice or somebody else's voice. And I think Kips is another good platform to convert someone that has a very good voice into someone that may not have a good voice. And this is the particular website that I was talking about, where you can clone your own voice. And obviously, you can click here to get started, but it is a premium subscription, so you might have to pay to do this. But I told you that I did a study with them one time before, and they paid me $40 for just using the website and giving them a review. So you can also make money from that particular aspect. But if you don't want to, that's another website to get your feet wet of mixing up your albums and stuff like that, and cloning voices and stuff like that, and then uploading those clone voices to Demuzo as an AI voice influencer. And you can make money from here. I would say you probably can make about $200 to $300 a month if you play your cards right. But if you're not consistent with anything, then you're not going to make as much money as you can. But that is all I have for you guys. Go ahead and create this profile and start making this AI money, because we live in an AI world and times are hard, and you got to make money legally and legitimately. So let me know if you have fun playing around with this. But other than that, take care, makers. Bye now. All right, welcome back to a new day here, money makers. Thank you guys for all the subscriptions, the likes, and the comments. I really appreciate it. But let's get into it today. We have where you can create TikTok sounds and you can get paid up to $250. That's right, you can pay up to $250 through this partner program here. You've got to click to sign up. So they're offering different various artists with this sound campaign, and you need to have at least maybe 10K followers in order to start creating consistent revenue, or more if you create your own Spotify playlists and things of that nature. But they're offering, if you use TikTok to create sounds by them, they give you a sound and you can get paid up to $250 per video. So imagine if you did 2 videos for them, that's over $400 some right there. So imagine if you did 10 of them, that's good money. You make over $1,200. Continuously keep pumping out videos for these people using their sounds, and you'll get paid. So all you got to do is click the sign up here, and then you will be brought to this to become their creator at SoundCampaigns. So you get rewards by using tracks in videos and helping artists to be discovered. So you're just taking the sounds, whatever mixing it up according to how the sound campaign wants you to do it, and then you'll get commissions or revenue from doing that. So go ahead and click to join as a creator, and you do have to have a following, just so I think at least 10K followers on TikTok or something like that. They'll specify once you do that. So go ahead and connect your TikTok, and you have to have a big following for this. So you're not going to get money off the right back, but you have to build up your audience. So you might want to build up your audience if you don't have any following right now. If you don't, then you need to do that, and then you can come back to doing this. I would say at least get 10K. That's a good amount of size audience on there, and for your TikTok. So go ahead and do that, and then then you can come back and put in your TikTok, connect your TikTok. But that's all I have for you guys today. I just wanted to let you know we still have just a few more days left for you entering the Halloween TikTok challenge that I posted a couple of months ago. If you have not had a chance, you still have a chance to submit. If you don't do it, this is the last time I'm talking about it. You won't get the money. But in addition to that, go ahead and build up your TikTok following, and then go ahead and sign up for this sound campaign so you can start making money. But let me know if this is something that you'd like to do. But other than that, take care, money makers. Bye-bye.